Hey guys, today I have a small PR haul for you, which I'm really excited about. So let's just get into it. So the first thing I have here is a parcel from Pixi, which is so exciting. So it looks like this, and we're gonna open it up. And so we have the in-shower steam facial. So it comes in this little box here. And when you open it up, it looks like this. I feel like it's so cute. So we have a little, like a little face washer, which is just the cutest thing ever. And then we have the in-shower steam facial. So it says, this multitasking self-heating mask transforms your shower into your own Pixi perfect home spa. Infused with vegan acacia, collagen, sage, peptides, and lavender to perfectly cleanse, nourish, and pump fine lines. So I feel like that sounds so cool. So it looks like that. So yeah, I'm guessing you put it on in the shower and then it like heats up, which I just think is the coolest thing ever. I'm actually so excited to try that. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how I go with that. But thank you so much to Pixi for sending that one over. And then I have a parcel here from Addictalash, which I'm so excited about. I'm going to film a video on this. So they sent this cute little card, which is so sweet. It says, Sophie, thank you for having us. We hope you will love them. Can't wait to see you wearing them and hear your feedback. Thank you for your support. So these are like magnetic lashes, I'm pretty sure. So how it works is you have the waterproof magnetic eyeliner and then the lashes stick to the eyeliner, which I think that is so awesome because pretty much every time I do my lashes or every time I do my makeup, I'll do liner anyway, pretty much. So the fact that the eyeliner is like the magnetic bit and then it sticks to the lashes is just so cool. So these are the Vixen lashes and they look like this. They look like this, which is super exciting. So yeah, I'm gonna do a video trying that out because I am actually very curious myself. I feel like I've seen a lot of people try out magnetic lashes and I think I've only tried them like once. So I'm super excited to see how that goes. But yeah, so yeah, sorry the video is a little bit short, but just a small little PR haul for you guys. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!